The hidden financial habits. Gen X learned from surviving the 2008 crisis. In 2008, millions lost their jobs, homes, and life savings overnight. Banks collapsed, stocks crashed, retirement dreams vanished. But one generation walked through that financial storm and came out smarter, tougher, and financially wiser. Generation X. In this video, we're revealing the hidden financial habits Gen X learned from surviving the 2008 crisis. Habits that can protect you from the next recession and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Stay until the end, because the final habit could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in the next market crash. Part 1. Why 2008 changed Gen X forever. For Gen X, the 2008 financial crisis wasn't just news, it was trauma. They watched pensions disappear, real estate crash, corporate jobs vanish overnight, Wall Street get bailed out while families suffered. This crisis taught them a brutal truth. The system will not save you, you must save yourself. And that lesson shaped their financial habits for life. Part 2. 7. Hidden financial habits. Gen X developed. 1. They built emergency funds like their life depended on it. Gen X learned that one paycheck is not security. They started saving 6 to 12 months of expenses, not just a rainy day fund. Emergency fund, financial security, recession-proof money habits. 2. They diversified income streams. After layoffs, Gen X realized relying on one job is risky. They built side hustles, freelance income rental properties, dividend portfolios. Multiple streams became survival strategy. 3. They distrusted Wall Street blindly. Before 2008, many trusted financial advisors completely. After the crash, Gen X learned to study investing, understand risk, avoid hype bubbles. They shifted from blind trust to financial intelligence. 4. They became extreme budget strategists. Gen X learned the power of cash flow. They tracked expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and prioritized assets over liabilities. Budgeting became a wealth-building weapon. 5. They bought assets in crashes. While many panicked, smart Gen X investors bought stocks, real estate businesses. They learned that crashes create millionaires. 6. They avoided lifestyle inflation. After losing everything once, Gen X avoided overspending. Instead of upgrading lifestyles, they upgraded assets. 7. They prioritized ownership over employment. 2008 showed them jobs are temporary, but ownership lasts. They focused on businesses investments, real estate intellectual property. Ownership became freedom. Part 3. The psychological shift that made Gen X stronger. The biggest habit wasn't financial, it was mental. Gen X developed a crisis mindset. Prepare for worst-case scenarios, expect volatility. Stay calm when others panic. They learned fear is expensive and patience is profitable. Part 4. Urgency. The next crash is coming. History repeats itself. 2000 dot-com bubble, 2008 housing crisis, 2020 pandemic crash, 2023 banking instability. Another crisis will happen. The question is, will you panic like most people or profit like Gen X? Start building these habits today before the next financial storm hits. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment, I'm crash-proofing my money, and share this with someone who still believes their job is guaranteed.